Okay. So let's talk about potential big gains for GameStop. Is there big upside potential here too? Let's talk about it. Welcome everyone to the channel. This is what I do. I do price prediction without confusion. And if you guys like to see how I'm able to do this, or you want to learn more, then make sure you guys keep it here. Don't change the channel. Don't follow another YouTuber, because this is a very simple game and I want to give you all the play on how it is being done. Okay. You can see it right now, a video that we did for GameStop back in the beginning of the year, right there, January the 17th. At that time, we were talking about looking for GameStop to go down in price. And as you can see from the price bars, that is what price did. It went down. Now, what's next? Let's go ahead and break it down. So make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. I am not here to push nothing on you. I just want to show you that this game is not complicated, nor is it supposed to be. Many people make this game difficult to ensure that you can make money from it. It would be in their best interest to give you tools, indicators, more fluff, more jargon, more news, more opinions to cloud your judgment. That's the point of the market, is to try to figure, okay, what is the key that is going to unlock the door to unlimited profit, right? But no one has ever, since I've been in this game, pulled back all of the unnecessary mess that you see in order just to make bread. Nobody. They always try to add something else to the mix to think that it's going to give them an edge, give them an advantage, when all you have to do is pay attention to what everybody else is doing. Like when you look at the stock market, there is trillions of dollars being transacted on thousands of stocks every day that the market is open. Do you not realize that these people who has all of these billions and trillions of dollars at their disposal to trade and invest, you don't think that they do their research first before they come in and buy and or sell a stock? Like, this game is so intricate that even the people with billions and trillions of dollars of assets under management, they have to hide their positions. They have to be strategic in how they come in and buy and sell their stock. Because if they just came in one fell swoop and bought or sold a stock, it will impact the stock's price, which they don't want to do. They're there to make profit, so they have to be really strategic in how price moves and how they come in and maneuver and buy and sell it, which is great for us because it gives us a heads up as to what they're looking at. That's one reason why we knew that GameStop was predicted to go down, because these people gave us a heads up. They leave us breadcrumbs. Yes, they do. They leave us clues as to what's about to happen. How do you think we was able to predict GameStop to go down? Because they left us clues. A technical indicator did not give that to us. The people who came and hit the buy button, or the people who came and hit the sell button, they the one that left us the clues, and we're just able to decipher it. That's all. So look at this in GameStop. Okay, pretty good call there, 14.5%. Now, we had all of these buy pockets in the market in GameStop, right? These were areas that we were looking for price to hold, and it did maybe like a day or so, but ultimately those buyers weren't determined to buy GameStop there or here or here or here. Look at that. See that? Right there. This is the spot that GameStop last traded before it made that massive run up in November and December. Look at that. So whoever were the people who bought GameStop here, what do you think they did here? So this massive buyer, right? They had to wait for GameStop to come all the way back down to $22 before they began buying again. Now, the crazy part is that the volume is not really here as it was back in November. You see that? This volume is completely dry. So the market like, dang, we got to go somewhere else to find volume. We need to find people to transact. So now we're going to induce people to come in and try to buy GameStop. All right. So now let's look at this on the 2. So here's GameStop on the 2. The market is bullish, right? We've seen over the last couple of 2-day price bars, price just goes up. It's not even trying to take a break. Here it is on the 3. Earnings, look at that. Earnings set to be released today. Matter of fact, I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but it is due to be released. Will price come back down? Because in the last 9 days, the market went from 22 to 26, 17.75% market move higher. Here it is on the 4. 8 hours and 44 minutes left in GameStop, and then there's definitely a very strong bar right there. Here it is on the 5. Looks pretty strong there too. A lot of times when you look at the market, that first initial bounce is not the spot that you will want to come in and buy. So like the market in GameStop has been trending down. You get that first pop. That's not the market that you want to buy. It usually tries to come back down to see if there's more buyers to continue to lift it up higher. Okay, we're in that first stage now on that first bounce, which convincingly is probably here at earnings when earnings is supposed to be released. So I wouldn't be surprised if GameStop did go down. People will try to pin it on the earnings being released though as to why price is going down, not knowing when you look at this on the daily. Okay, well, on the 2, you can see right around here is where there could be some sellers. Okay, right there. So it's probably like right around here. So yeah, could we see the price go higher, a little bit higher? Yeah, we could. Another 8% to $27.50, $28. But then after that, we definitely might see price go down. So I'm looking at this on the hourly chart now from GameStop. And I mean, yeah, it looks pretty good on the 5. This is what it looks like on the 3. This 3-hour price chart is definitely showing me sellers trying to push GameStop down, but they're not winning. Price is making higher lows. You guys can see it even here on the 3-hour. Right, look at that trend. So they're not winning. The sellers aren't winning yet in GameStop. Here it is on the 1. Even here on the 1. So I think in the short term, at least, this stock is going to try to go up. Okay. Like I said, it may just hit $27. Earnings gets released and it comes right back down. But yeah, the market currently is bullish in GameStop. So that would be my short-term forecast, would be for this stock to go higher. But seeing how we are now at earnings, I'm not going to drop a price prediction. I'm going to wait and let all the other people who has the billions and trillions of dollars to play with, let them come and mess around and figure out, okay, what you guys want to do. And like I told you earlier in the video, they'll leave us clues and breadcrumbs as to what's going to happen next. Okay. And then also just to mention, hey, this is the first pop in GameStop. So yeah, I'm not going to put in an idea that the stock, even though that would be my forecast, I'm just leery as to how high that market's going to go. So let me just let the market cook in GameStop, put it back in the oven, and let everyone else bake their dollars and see if the market's ready to continue to go higher or not. Give me your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.